But he getting 9 to 5 in.
This dish is a very traditional Samoan dish, Taufolo. The main ingredient for that one is the breadfruit. I got 3 types of breadfruit here. One is what we call the ma'afala. It's not for Taufolo. This one is what we call the momolenga. Still have no idea what the Palangi name for this one. And this is the right one. So you have to create a Samoan umu, and then you have to bake this one. In the Samoan way, you have to create what we call the local oven. Using the bits and pieces from the coconut, you have to husk it. I climb up the breadfruit. I got this one, and then I bake it together with the skin. So later on, we're going to peel off the skin. When this one is ready, this is the kind of outcome you're going to have. Okay, spoon. Very good for peeling. Take this part out. Can you smell it? It has this smoky smell from the inside. Tastes really good. Put it in a bowl. And this is my Samoan masher. Dip it in the coconut cream and then mash it. It's to give all the flavor in the breadfruit. Right? You have to pour the coconut cream in here. Mash it again. Next, you have to portion it. Okay. Next thing, I have to do my coconut jam. I have to add the brown sugar and melt it. Now my sugar is caramelized already. So my next step is adding the coconut cream. You have to keep stirring, right? This one is ready. The Taufolo is what we call here in Samoa. It's for food for the old lady and the old man. They like it because, yeah, it's soft and they love it. Especially the smell and the method that I'm using. That's my Taufolo. Goes well with the Samoan jam. So up to you, whether if you want to mix it together in here or you want to use it as a dip. Keep it local, keep it fresh.